This is a website walkthrough of I Love Hair. We have helped I Love Hair to improve the conversion rate and SEO, so organic traffic from Google. And when we started the project, we noticed that the website was already receiving a fair amount of traffic from Google Ads, so obviously the paid traffic. However, the traffic was not converting into sales. So what we did, we found more targeted keywords because this is really interesting niche. The owners are selling affordable diamond jewelry. However, the diamonds are really high quality, so there's no compromise on the quality or the clarity of the diamonds. However, because they are imported from India, they are much more affordable. They are a third of the price of the normal diamonds imported from other places. That's why they wanted to stand out by targeting this kind of affordable diamond keywords, however, without compromising on the style or on the quality of the finish of the jewelry. So we help them find more defined keywords, help them rank for those keywords. And after initial reviews of the website, we discovered that the collections were built using the page builder. So the collection pages didn't use default Shopify templates for the collections. They were built just like pages with products added to them separately. However, they were built using page builder apps, which was seriously slowing down the website. The collections, the pages didn't load on the browsers, and it was very, very serious delay in the loading time, which we discovered it was the main reason why this website was not converting, because with months of the SEO work and the paid traffic, there was still no sales. So we recommended, we hopped on the chat with the owner of I Love Hair a number of times. We prepared few of the reviews and obviously the walkthrough and analysis of the website, and recommended that the best solution would be to stop using the page builder and simply redesign the website using default Shopify theme. So the owner decided to do that, decided to switch the theme completely to have the look of the collection that they wanted. The original theme didn't want the layout they wanted, so we found another theme that could have the layout that they wanted, and I decided to switch the theme, and within days the sales start rolling in. So they started having hundreds and hundreds of pounds of sales within a few days from the change. That's why a thorough analysis of the website is always recommended, to go to the root of the problem, because sometimes you don't even realize that something as simple as removing an app or improving the website speed could definitely help you get sales. So if you already get traffic but no sales, please reach out to us and I will be happy to review your website, find what is not working, what's causing issues, and what are the best recommended steps to improve the conversion rate. Let me know how I can help. Reach out to me and we can start improving your website and improving your sales right away.